Hey friends, in this video we will explore the hidden align panel tips you need to know if you are a graphic designer and you are using Adobe Illustrator. So you need to know these tips and tricks that I am gonna show you in this video about the hidden align panel. So for it, I will go to first of all window and we will go to like symbols is here. So if it is not here, you can go to window and here you can click, the symbol will appear. Now here I will use, for example, mobile symbols, and for instance we create 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Or what people usually do, like they create like this, and then they go to this and they create a rectangle like this. And now if they want this space, so what they do like this, and then they press and hold Alt and they create duplicate of this, and then they go to this. So this is too much, it's taking too much time. So instead of this, you can delete this and make sure it is here. And now we can select all of them. See, select all of them and go to window and align, but you can press Shift plus F7. So here you need to know, like, align to key object. This should be enabled. Once you enable it, so you can see this. So how much space you need, for example 25, and then you can click here, horizontal distribute space. Now this is horizontal, you can see it's like this. Now you can see, like, if we select all of them, so from here vertical align center you can also apply. So this is the method you can use. These tips you can use, hidden align tool tips. So thank you so much for watching the video. Please share the video with your friends and also subscribe to my channel.